Assalamualaikum everyone. What's up guys? Welcome to my another brand new toy video. First of all, I'm gonna show you. Wow, a beautiful fire rescue helicopter. Wow, a red color, beautiful helicopter. This a fire rescue helicopter, a beautiful helicopter. Yeah. And here is another air vehicle. Wow, this a airplane, funny shaped airplane. Totally unrealistic this toy. Look at that. খুব মিনি সাইজের কিন্তু এই টয়টি গাইস দেখতে পাচ্ছ। Wow. Whoa, a beautiful airplane. Wow, and here is a helicopter. Wow, guys, beautiful helicopter. Wow, we have another one. Wow, yellow color চমৎকার কিন্তু private helicopters. Wow, we have two helicopter, and here is a wow revolver, a musical revolver. Whoa, guys, yellow color, a beautiful revolver. Yo, musical revolver. Whoa, beautiful one. And here is a two revolver. Wow, two color, two revolver. Guys, এগুলো কিন্তু water revolver, water gun. Mini size water gun. Here is water place. Look at that. Wow, a beautiful revolver. This a beautiful water gun. Yeah. And here is another one. Water gun M4a1 assault rifle. Wow, a beautiful assault rifle. M4a1 assault rifle. Look at that. This a water gun, orange color assault rifle. Wow, a beautiful assault rifle. M4a1 assault rifle. Wow. And here is a M1018 shotgun. Wow, a beautiful M18 shotgun. Look at that double barrel shotgun, a musical toy. This is a colorful musical toy. Look. Wow. Guys, if you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more toys videos, your favorite videos. Look. Guys, this is a beautiful M1018 wow shotgun. And finally, here is a look AC80 assault rifle. A beautiful assault rifle, most popular assault rifle, AC80 assault rifle. Look at that. This a magazine. Wow, a realistic assault rifle. Wow, I'm putting the bullet with magazine. Look at that. I'm gonna shoot the bolt. Look. Wow, most powerful assault rifle in PUBG and Free Fire. Wow. Look, I'm gonna shoot the boat. Wow, guys. Very powerful, super powerful and dangerous weapons this toy. Wow, please hit the like button and share with your friends, with your family, and do subscribe this channel for more videos. अगर वीडियो को पसंद आए तो जरूर चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देना for more updates videos. Yeah, guys, look at that. These are AC80 assault rifle, a most powerful and popular assault rifle. These are airsoft toy gun. Wow. So guys, thanks for the watching. Till then, take care. See you on the next video. Bye bye. Do subscribe this channel for more videos.